Hola, it's Gabby here, and for today I'm going to make a ice cream car. In this car, I'm just going to use die cuts. The sentiment is going to be stamped, but the whole car is just going to be die cuts. I'm going to cut 4 ice cream. In the front of the car, I'm going to use just 3. I cut 4 because I was thinking that I can squish 4 ice cream in the front of the car, but it was not possible. As you see here, I just cut the ice creams in normal wicker stock, and for the use of the alcohol pearls inks, I use glossy paper. These are very pretty inks. I was amazed when I just play with them to do my swatch, and I just fall in love with this. I hope they make a lot of colors with these inks. I just going to drop in a little bit where I trace the top of the ice cream, because that's going to be cut partially, because it's going to be like the syrup on top of the ice cream. As you see here, I'm cutting the whole scoop of ice cream, but then I'm going to cut the part under the ice cream. I just was testing if the ink come out with the post-it tape, but no, it's not. It worked perfect. I going to do the same with the berries, with the cherries. Sorry, I just color the cherries the same way I color the syrup for the ice creams. The rest of the part of the cards is just distress inks. I I colored the ice cream cone in tea dye and the borders to make them a little bit darker with vintage photo. Um, but I always say the same thing. You can color this in whatever color you want, or whatever way you want. I just found this is easy and faster. Also, I cut the leaves for the cherries, and I color those in distress inks also, in lighter green and darker green. For the because this is a tiny little leaf, I use tiny dabber for the dark green. After all my pieces are ready, I'm going to use this frame that is from MFT, but I think it's called Wonky Sticker. It's very nice, because when you place it on the top of the your car base, it's going to be smaller and it's going to leave you a frame. I'm sampling right now the ice creams. I'm going just to glue this top part of the ice cream cone, and I'm going to glue the syrup and the ice cream. I cut the white part of the ice cream, that the ice cream scoop. I cut it with a paper that is primitive white. Is called. Is if I remember correctly, it's from MFT also. It's very nice because have like a little how you say that, little dots, little spots that are like no white paper. Is just, it's very pretty. Then I tried to ensemble my car as I was imagining. I did change a little bit the berries where I put it at the beginning, but the rest of the ice cream stay the same way. I couldn't, like I say, put 4 ice cream. Maybe I was if I put the orange one behind the dark pink, but it's going to be too much, and I decided to put the orange ice cream inside of the car. After I finish gluing everything down, I was thinking that the eyes that doesn't have the box is standing but don't have anything, need something, and I decide to cut some sprinkles. I just grab a white paper and I color with copy markers. You can do this with color paper, a paper that is already have the color that you need. But it was just here in my desk, and I just grabbed the paper and I color different colors with the copy marker, and I just add the sprinkle in the top of the ice creams and also in the ice cream cone, because normally when you have a sprinkle ice cream, the sprinkles fell down a little bit, and then to make it look like a little bit of the sprinkle are in the bottom of the ice cream. After this, I'm going to make the card base that is white cardstock, and I'm going to decorate the inside. I'm going to first add some sprinkles. Why no, they are there. I just might use them, and I add some sprinkles. I'm going to put the berry on the bottom of this ice cream. I add to the sprinkles in the inside and also on the outside. I add glossy accent, and I was waiting for them to dry. I also add glossy accent to the cherries, but not the leaves, just the cherry. I adding a little bit of details with the white gel pen. I also going to add make darker, because it doesn't look like that much, but I made darker the bottom of the card panel to make it look like the ice cream are not floating. I'm going to add the sentiment, and as you see, the word ice cream is super crooked, wonky, and I say, oh, I need to fix this, and the way to fix this is adding two more words in the wonky way, as you see there. Now I'm going to check that my sprinkles in the inside are dry, and then I'm going to glue my card. I also see a space on the left side of the card that was a little bit empty, and I add some how do you call this? They are like color acetate hearts. They are very thin, but they are clear. I mean, you can see through. They are not clear. They are in colors, but you can see through. And I just add in a little bit here, a little bit there. And that will be my card for today. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next time, goodbye.